The next preposition we will study is the preposition with. The speaker signifies in the perspective of the subject that the object of the preposition exists close to the subject of the preposition, and the object fills into a unit. The subject and the object of the preposition with are fused. There is a clause, I take a class with a bottle of coffee. With the fact that the preposition with is applied, the subject of class, the existence of the object, a bottle of coffee, coexist. The subject and the object become a unit. The subject of class and the object, a bottle of coffee of the preposition with, consists of a unit. The speaker as the subject of the clause conveys the condition indicated by the transitive verb take to the unit as the object of the transitive verb take. The next preposition we will study is the preposition by. The speaker applies the preposition by in the perspective of the subject of the preposition to signify the relationship that the object of the preposition is next to the subject of the preposition. Subject of the preposition by exists close to the object of the preposition by, but the subject of the preposition and the object of the preposition into a unit. They coexist. The preposition by mediates the relationship that the subject and the object coexist closely but into one while remaining each trait. There is a clause. He builds a tower by a market. With the fact that the preposition by is applied, the subject, a tower, exists close to the object, a market, but the subject and the object into a unit. They coexist close to each other to remain each trait. The speaker signifies in the perspective of the subject, a tower, of the preposition that the object of market of the preposition is next to the subject of the preposition. Because of the fact that the preposition mediates the relationship between the subject and the object, the speaker reveals that the subject and the object remain their trait and coexist. The next preposition we will study is the preposition beside. The speaker applies the preposition beside to signify the relationship with the object of the preposition that coexists with the subject of the preposition as a distinctive unit. The degree of the integration is differentiated. The preposition beside the subject and the object coexist. There is a clause. There is a present beside the pillow. With the fact that the preposition beside is applied in this clause, the subject, a present, coexist to the object, the pillow. The subject and the object do not share the same trait, they just coexist. The speaker applies the preposition beside to signify the relationship that the subject or present of the preposition exists next to the object, the pillow of the preposition, while keeping the independency of the subject and the object.